Hello students, welcome to ChemSword. This is Dr. Anup Sharma and today we will learn about writing chemical formula from the name of a compound. So how do we do that? So say for example you need to write the name of the formula of sodium oxide. So what do we need? So we need the symbol of sodium, and sodium symbol is Na, and oxide symbol is O. And then next is assigning their valencies. So for example, sodium valency is 1 and oxide valency is 2. Now second thing which we need to do is crisscrossing these valencies. So 1 to the side of oxygen and 2 to the side of sodium, and then what is there, we just crisscross. So sodium how many? Na2, because we crisscrossed these valencies. So Na2, and oxygen how many? Only one. So that means the chemical formula of sodium oxide is going to be what? Na2O. So that is how we write the chemical formula. So similarly, for example, like we say magnesium oxide. So magnesium symbol is Mg and oxide symbol is O. And now assigning the valencies, because magnesium is in group 2 of the periodic table and it needs 2 electron to donate, so magnesium valency is 2. Similarly, oxygen's valency is also 2 because it need to gain 2 electrons. So now third step is to crisscross these valencies. So we crisscross that, and then magnesium is 2 and oxygen is 2. So because these numbers are similar, so we cancel them. That means the formula for magnesium oxide is MgO. So I hope you understand this. We will take some more examples, like for example potassium nitrate. So what is in that? So potassium symbol is K and nitrate is a compound ion and its symbol is NO2. So the valency, when it comes to the valency, so potassium is in first group of periodic table, it needs to donate 1 electron, so its valency is 1. And nitrate is compound ion and its charge is, or its valency is -1. So we just forget as if now minus or plus, we just say 1, and then we crisscross these valencies. So to this side, one is to this side, and then we say both are 1 1. So KNO3. So that is the formula of potassium nitrate. Similarly, if we move towards other examples, like for example say aluminium sulfide. Aluminium symbol is Al and sulfide is S. And then assigning the valencies, aluminium is in 13 group, so its valency is 3, and sulfide is in 16 group, so its valency is 2. And then next step is to crisscross. So this will be crisscrossed, and then we'll see aluminium how much? 2, and sulfide is how much? 3. So like that it is the formula of aluminium sulfide. Similarly, moving further examples, so we say magnesium carbonate. So magnesium symbol is Mg, and then carbonate is a compound ion, so it is CO3 2 minus. So magnesium is in second group, so it is 2. The valency of magnesium is 2. So we crisscross then 2 and 2. both side it is 2. We, as if now we forget minus or plus, so MgCO3. So like that the formula is magnesium carbonate, MgCO3. We take few more examples like sodium say sulfate, sodium sulfate. So sodium symbol is Na and sulfate is SO4 2 minus. So if we crisscross these, so sodium valency is 1 and sulfate is 2. So now second is crisscrossing these valencies or charges. So 1 changes to 2, so Na2 and SO4 how much? SO4 is 1. So the formula is Na2SO4. I hope this is now easy to understand and you might have understood it. If you need more input into this, I'll take it long. So please comment on the video if you understand something, if you like the video and want me to continue to provide this free stuff on YouTube. Please like and subscribe the video. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.